Hi everyone, today we have with us Akash. Akash, we want to know about your journey today, especially in last 2-3 months. जो आपने बोला कि along with the work, if I can study for 2-3 months, I can touch 99 percentile. In your case, 98.5 approximately, and join the top college like IIT Bombay. So, where you are working and how much you should study?
So I was working in a firm called Cloudera, which essentially is a Silicon Valley based firm which was based out of Bangalore then. And my domain was majorly in machine learning and AI. So my work was a little intense in the sense that I had to interact with a lot of clients, and I was essentially the core developer there in the ML domain. So while working, I usually used to work till like 8 p.m. and post that I used to sit in the night and study. And I used to dedicate around 2 to 3 hours per day. And I used to have a plan like this is the chapter that I'm going to do this day, and I used to essentially stick to that. And I had a few people who were studying with me, a few friends from school. So I used to essentially partner up with them, saying that okay, I'll share an Excel with you, and I'll maintain the tracker in that, saying that okay, this is what I'm going to do this day, and you essentially keep me accountable, and I'll keep you accountable.
Correct.
So that was the idea for me. And in the weekends, I used to do the practice test or like full length mock test, etc., to essentially gauge where I am essentially.
So number one, it's still possible to get 99 percentile in 2-3 months ka time. How many mocks you gave total in total?
I gave around 6 to 7 mocks, full length mocks on the weekends. But before the exam, 1 week before the exam itself, I was essentially going through the papers. I was not solving them per se, but I was seeing like, okay, this is the question, can I solve it or not? If I am feeling confident that I will solve it, I will be like, okay, this is possible for me, during the exam I can handle it.
Correct. I think that's very important. More than giving the mocks, if you can focus on doing the last year papers. So that's what, and CAT pattern is similar patterns coming. Especially last 3 years, same repeat pattern are right. DL logic, same type of question, math, same type of question. So if you can do that, that's more than sufficient to crack that. So if I do 2-3 hours every day, so you should like only focus on one chapter today, or
my idea was to essentially focus on one chapter a day, and I used to switch around the domain itself. Like I used to do data interpretation one day, next day I will do quant. Alternate days I'll switch that around, but I'll use to essentially focus like aaj ye chapter karna, one day one chapter. That was my idea essentially, so that I don't get too distracted, like I'm doing everything and I'm not focused on anything. So I used to do one chapter. I didn't focus a lot on the reading comprehension side of it, because I generally read a lot of books, so I was like a little bit more confident on that side. So my main focus was on the logical reasoning and data interpretation side. That was the thing I was looking at more. But reading comprehension, I used to only read books in parallel, and I used to read whatever was in the previous papers and in the mock test also. So I used to gauge an idea where I am standing in that regard. But my main focus was on DILR essentially.
Verbal, if you're reading, you don't need anything else. Quant, if you're an engineer, you don't need anything else. Non-engineer used to focus more on maths. DLR, we need to practice more. That's a totally new type of questions which are coming, so we need to practice more on that. So, which was the low phase during your preparation? Any kind of a phase you had?
I think mainly balancing the work experience and this thing, balancing your work commitment. Because at that point, I was not sure if I'm going to quit the work, and I really did enjoy my work there. So I was like a little confused on whether I should completely go in with the CAT or should I completely focus on the work as well. Because sometimes we used to have this concept of on-call over there, where 1 week you're also committed in the nights. Because you used to have US clients, so they used to essentially, if anything goes wrong on their system, they used to give us a ring in the night. So you have to sit for that as well. So balancing both of them was one of the hectic part, because that 1 week or 2 weeks, it essentially becomes a little difficult on where you have to focus. You have to focus on the commitment of work, because you're not sure what the CAT mark will be. It could be very much possible that you're continuing the work as the next year. So you don't want to completely give up on that as well. So balancing both was probably one of the phases where I was a little confused how to go about it. I think the main help that came along that line is against friends and family majorly. Family helps a lot, because they essentially guide you like, okay, whatever happens, we are there for you. Just chill and focus.
Correct. See, this study buddy concept is good. So it's always helpful. Because when you are low, there's someone else to pick up. When he is low or she is low, you will pick up. So I think that balance is always maintained. So any advice you like to give? Anything you want to tell everyone? Don't do this or do this.
I think one thing that I personally at least abided by was like my preparation started like 3 months ago. So it was, and many times students essentially feel like 3 months is not enough. I need more time. I need more time to essentially get into this. People are preparing for years. How can I do it in 3 months? But it worked out for me, and it generally is just that attitude going into like, okay, 3 months, you can write a letter you can write a book in 1 year, or you can write a book in 1 month also. At the end, it's just a book.
Correct.
So essentially, if you put in that 3 months, if you put that effort into that 3 months, things will work out.
ऊपर से फिर इंडियन स्टूडेंट है, we always study in the last few days. अभी तो 3 में तो बहुत हो गया टाइम हमारे लिए तो. Correct. All the best, Akash.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.